All right, they want to put it in descending order. Remember, you need to think about a mountain. You descend down the mountain, which means you're starting from the greatest point and going down to the lowest. So we need to go greatest to least. All right, so we're just going to take the numbers from A and we're going to compare them. So 4.2 times 10 to the negative second is our first one. So 4.2. We need to, so it's to the negative second, so we're going to go left twice. Fill in your 0. Here's another 0 over there. So 0.042. All right, the next one would be negative square root of 16. Well, the square root of 16 is 4. I still have this negative out there, so negative, oops, what am I doing? So negative 4, and then I can just go ahead and add zeros. All right, the next one would be 0.4%. So we know for percents to make them decimals, we double dip to the left twice. Fill in that 0. So that's 0.004. We have negative 3 and 1/5, which would mean negative 3. And then negative 3 is my whole number, and then 1/5 is 1 divided by 5, which is 0.2. So 2. Once again, I'm adding my zeros. And last but not least, yay for us, they gave it to us in decimal form. All right, we want to go greatest. So we start with our whole numbers, our integers. So we've got 0, negative 4, 0, negative 3, and 0. All right, so what's the greatest number out of 0, negative 4, 0, negative 3, and 0? 0 is the greatest. It's not negative 4, it's not negative 3. 0 is the greatest. So we need to go to the zeros and look, oops, hold on. I want to make that green. Go to the next decimal. So I'm going to go to this 0, the last 0. So once again, I'm looking for the greatest number. So out of my green is 0, 0, or 3 greater. 3 is the greatest number. So I know that 0.325 is my largest number. Look at your answer choices. 0.325 should be first, which means A and D are out. All right. Here we go. So now this is out. I'm still looking at my green bubbles. So green, those were the same. So now I have to go to the next one. 4 or 0. So what is greater, 4 or 0? 4. So 4.2 times 10 to the negative second is my next number. I look at my answer choices. Both of them have 4.2 next. 4.2 times 10 to the negative second. All right, honestly, if I look at the next one, they both have 0.4% next. And that's true. So now it's down to, I can go back to the yellow, right? Okay, negative 4 or negative 3. Which number is greater? Negative 4 or negative 3? Well, you're asking yourself, which one's closer to 0? And the answer is negative 3. Negative 3 is a larger number than negative 4. Therefore, negative 3 and 1/5 is my next number, leaving me with the negative square root of 16 as my last number. I look at my list. B is my answer.